Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today is gonna be a milestone video. So guess I never really thought about it, was hoping it would happen, didn't really. Again, I tend not to think about things until I have to think about them. So alright, today is the first day that we have ever passed or had more subscribers than we've had videos. So I don't know. So today's video is episode 455 and we have 456 subscribers. So let's see, the videos that I am thinking about doing, unless I get feedback differently beforehand, we're going to start touching on inheritance. Got a really good question about that. And then we also, I think we need to talk about, since we're going to be doing more with tkinter, we need to talk more about importing star, why that's a bad thing. And then also there's a very good question about dealing with the color background, I think. So I'm going to maybe have some more comment questions, discussion in the comments, so I can make sure I have the video right. So that's what next week's video. But man, guys, I just can't say thank you enough. Like I said, I guess I was hoping it would happen, but didn't know when or how. But we're just keep plugging along, and let's just look. So you guys like seeing this. So all right, here's how the subscriber. I think this shows up pretty good. So here's the subscriber. You just see it up and down. Lose a few every so often, but that is the track of how the 455 has happened. Just a couple at the beginning, but just more consistent. You can really see it here. This has actually gone down a little bit. So in a 28-day period, we're around 60 subscribers. So, and that's a testament to you guys. So for every view you guys have, for every comment, it puts my suggestions up farther to the here. So this is it. These are the impressions. This is how many times a video pops up in front of somebody. And now Google, or YouTube, because of you guys watching and all the feedback, all the likes, all the subscriptions, everything, they're now suggesting me 8.3% of the time. And then the click-through rate, that's how many times it gets clicked, is 5.7. So these things are tracking up and up and up and up. And probably the very coolest thing is the traffic source of playlists. So that's you guys. That's an awesome suggestion from one of the viewers. So I really take it to heart when I say that, or I'm serious about when I say this is your channel. I now listen implicitly to you guys. So real different video today. Interesting milestone. I didn't think about it. But as always, guys, I can't say thanks enough. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, if this is your first video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I don't want you missing anything. And please drop a comment down below if you have any video requests, because that's the point of this channel. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.